This is a meal that has come out of a request from a newsletter I sent on Thursday. Are you signed up to my newsletters? You want to be, because you get lots of recipes, so the link is below, so sign up there. And this request is for meals using few ingredients. My friend who made the request wanted to make a meal with only 4 ingredients, but I have we're going to make it with 6. So we're doing a meal that's great to cook today, and then you can have it tomorrow as well. We're doing steamed veg, rice and tahini sauce. So our first ingredient is rice. I'm going to make enough for today and tomorrow. Probably said that already. And just pop the rice away. Good to put your ingredients away. And then I'm going to speed up the process by using, where's my cup? Over here, by using boiling water. So the rice, I'm using basmati rice. You can use red rice, black rice, brown rice, white rice, basmati rice, and that's ingredient number 1. Ingredient number 2 is some salt. If you've got high blood pressure, don't put so much salt in. Ingredient number 3 is a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Makes the rice nice and colourless. Let's put a bit more. Good for inflammation. So that's the turmeric, that's going away. And then this goes on to boil. And then when it's boiling, we'll cook it for 10 minutes. Basmati is the quickest rice. Then over here I've got steamed veg in here. It's very hot handles. I've already got the pumpkin and the carrot. Counting the veg as 1 ingredient. And then I've got my broccoli to go in. Voila! That won't take long. And then we're going to make the tahini sauce. Thought I was all prepared, but I don't have the bowl for the tahini, so I'll just go into the pantry, get a bowl. Here I am with the bowl. And so tahini brings it up to ingredient number 5. So we're going to put in 3 tablespoons of tahini, and this lasts in the fridge for a couple of weeks. So then next time you cook, that will just be 1 ingredient, the tahini, because in the tahini we're going to add salt. But again, if you've got high blood pressure, don't add so much salt. Lemon juice. Oh no, just squeeze the lemon juice. This lemon's not very juicy, so we'll need the whole lemon. And that's our 6th ingredient there. So we're just going to mix that around. We need to get that spoon out of there. It's a bit clunky, and that's thick, so that's not so great. So we just add water, and that'll make a yummy sauce. So you want that'll all come together. Tahini's a funny beast. It doesn't look good at first, and then it's great. And if you don't like tahini, you can use peanut butter. And then this is a complete protein meal, because the rice and tahini makes a complete protein. And if you dare go for the 7th ingredient, you can add some pepitas or sunflower seeds on top of this. So that's your quick, complete protein, 6 ingredient meal for those people who feel a little challenged in the kitchen, or those people who need a quick meal. And next week we'll be making a 4 ingredient omelette. Bye! The rice took 10 minutes to cook, so here it is. That's a yummy portion of rice there. And then we're going to put the tahini sauce there. Yum, lots of that because I love it. Put it all on the veg. And there is your 6 ingredient meal, complete protein.